Struck by pandemic, the tech industry not just rose to the occasion but used it as an opportunity to flourish. Related stocks outperformed during 2020-21, but the economic slowdown, which followed the pandemic, has brought it to its knees. Companies, especially tech startups, are forced to cut costs to stay afloat. In India, 10,744 tech employees were laid off in the first 6 months of 2023. For the same period in 2022, reported job losses in the tech sector were 6,530. In 2020 alone, 12,932 tech employees had lost their jobs in India. In 2021, the job losses dipped to 4,080 as the funding for startup got improved. Funding winter for the startups have been a major reason for the layoff spree in the tech sector. According to the startup tracker firm Traction Data, compared to the year-ago period, startup funding has fallen by 72% in the first half of 2023. The increasing interest rates and global economic slowdown has been driving the funding winter for startups. For the same reasons, major IT companies like Meta, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft have also been laying off employees. So, is there an end in sight for abnormal levels of tech layoffs?
However, if you were just to see the ups and downs of market conditions, this correction was necessary because of the euphoria that came, in the last 2 years. Once this correction happens and, valuations correct, also we're looking at the US economy most likely going into a soft landing and not into a recession. Once all of this corrects, the economy that will be booming again will again be the tech industry. So it's going to be like the crests and troughs of the IT industry.
This year, out of 10,744 layoffs, most of the job losses happened in edtech companies. 3,610 people lost jobs in edtech companies. Food, retail, and healthcare-related tech jobs are other categories with most layoffs. Also, according to the recruitment firm Exfino Data, active hiring in the IT sector has gone down from 2 lakhs in last June to 79,000 in June 2023. But some roles related to cloud computing, AI engineering, cybersecurity analysts, and data analyst roles are on demand.
So the skills which are very, very much in demand are cloud computing, cybersecurity, IoT, blockchain technology, robotics process automations, the quantum computing, which is there, the edge computing, and the AI machine learning and the data science. So these are the skills which are say top 8 to 10 skills which are absolutely in demand. And like I mentioned earlier, the basic coding roles, the hardware maintenance, the legacy system maintenance, the manual QA testing, etc., and the simple data analysis. Those are the kind of skills and the roles which are very quickly getting automated, and we will not see those kinds of roles coming in great quantities in the months and the quarters to come in.
Artificial intelligence and automation-led development will be creating more jobs in the near future. Infosys has announced that it is entering into a deal with a strategic client to provide artificial intelligence and automation-led development with an expected target of $2 billion for 5 years. Also, Tata Consultancy Services has a plan to create a talent pool of 100,000 generative AI associates. Though the hiring in the tech industry has gone down compared to the post-pandemic hiring spree, opportunities for new skill sets are emerging. There is increased demand for AI tech, cloud computing, and machine learning, but jobs that can be automated will be disappearing in the near future. Meanwhile, things are looking up for India's IT industry as the odds of a recession in the US and the emergence of AI as a new source of revenue may drive a rebound.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
She's working her way to the corner office. Business Standard.